Hi everybody. Ever wondered how to make awesome videos right from your Mac? Well, say hello to iMovie. iMovie is a super cool video editing software that comes pre-installed on every Mac. It is like having your own mini movie studio right at your fingertips. Let's talk about some of the awesome features of iMovie. The first one is comes to the video effects. iMovie offers color correction, image stabilization, and other effects. You can choose from Apple design themes to give your movie a unique style. You can add music from your library or use included sound effects. You can create trailers with templates and your own videos and photos. You can edit videos at high resolutions up to 4K with smooth action shots. You can enhance clips and add effects. Finally, you can share your movie online or save it as a file. Now let us see how to install iMovie on your Mac and start creating your own masterpiece. To install iMovie, simply open the App Store on your Mac and search for iMovie. Once you find it, click on Get to download and install iMovie on your Mac. It's completely free. Once you install, you can find iMovie in your application folder or by searching for it. If required, enter Apple ID and password. Now that you have installed iMovie, let's create a new project. Opening iMovie application. On your Launchpad or on your Mac, locate the iMovie application in your application folder or Launchpad. Double-click the iMovie icon to launch the program. Upon opening iMovie, you will see a window with the option called Create New. Click the New button. You will be presented with two choices. First one, movie, and second one is trailer. Trailer is the option offers pre-made templates to create Hollywood-style trailers quickly. This option allows you to create fully customized video from scratch. This is what we are going to use today. Let me put the enter the full screen. So once you select movie, iMovie will open your editing workspace. This workspace is divided into three main sections. On the left side, the import window allows you to browse and import media files like videos and photos in your project. On the right side, the preview window displays real-time preview of your video as you edit. Bottom window, the timeline window, it shows the clips you have imported and allows you to arrange them in order you want them to appear in your final video. Now let's import the videos. Click on Import Media button in the import window on the left side. In the Finder window that opens, navigate to the location where your video clips are stored. Select the videos you want to import by clicking them, or you can hold the Command key to select multiple files. Click the Open button to import the selected videos into your iMovie project. Once your videos are imported, you can drag and drop them from the import window onto the timeline window at the bottom. You can arrange them in the order you want to appear in your final video. You can reduce the settings also. By doing this, you can see all the videos are presented in the window. Now you can edit your further video further by trimming clips or adding transitions or titles, adding music background, and many more things you can do. So once you finish the editing video, you can save it as a project file for further editing or export it as finished video file to share with others. Once I exported as a project name called iMovie demo, I can import the project as a file. For that one, I go to the option called share project, then click the option called file. There would be different options are available where you can change the description of the iMovie. You can add the tags. You can add the format, whether you wanted to have the video only or audio only, and the resolution type. You can select it. Then once you selected the desired settings, then you click the next button, then save the video called iMovie demo. So the demo would be stored in the location where you pointed out. Now it is storing into my desktop. I can see the status here, how the progress is going on. Or yes, just simply exporting the iMovie demo.mp4 format. It takes less than 1 minute to complete the video. It is very small video, so that it won't take much or longer time. Yes, it is almost completed. Once it is completed, you can see this video where you have saved the file. So I saved the file in my desktop. Let me see. Yes, this is the file which I exported. Thank you.